dynamic automatic light system. When I mean automatic light, this is the light that comes on when everywhere is dark and goes off when the light comes on. So you need your breadboard, you need your Arduino Uno, of course, and your jumper wires, your photo resistor. Can you see that? Okay, photo resistor, because you know this is your LDR resistor. See that? Then of course your LED lights and your 220 ohms resistor. Okay, so that's what you need. So just attach everything to your dashboard. Note where you have the long leg and the short leg. Okay, so put that there. That's your LED light. Okay, let me push it backward so that I have enough space to work with. So that's your LED light. This is short leg and this is the long leg. Wait a minute. Okay, let me push it backward a bit because I need some space there. So this is short leg and this is the long leg. So I'm going to attach a resistor to one part of the long leg. So in front, just directly in front. Then I attach it somewhere a bit far, or some points away. So you see that? So I have a resistor attached to the long leg or long pin of my LED light. The next thing I'm going to do, I get my photo resistor or LDR resistor. I also attach that to the breadboard. Note that I'm not crossing the line. Okay, attach that to the breadboard. So now it's time for me to attach my jumper wire. So this resistor attached to the long leg of the LED pin, I'm going to attach it to digital pin 13. So look into your Arduino Uno board, you see your digital pin 13 there. So I fix that there. Okay, the other limb, I'm going to use a green jumper wire. Okay, just connect that straight away to your ground. Okay, ground is not far away, so from pin 13, so I put it there. Now I need another resistor. This is another resistor, same 220 ohm resistor. Okay, so I'm going to, just as I attach it to the LED, this time around I'm going to attach this one to the short pin of the photo resistor. Okay, attach one part of my resistor to the short pin and the other part to an empty space. Okay, so empty pin. So that's that. I hope you can capture that. See that arrangement? Okay, beautiful. Now, so this is the short pin of my LED LDR resistor, or simply call it a photo resistor. Okay, so that's the arrangement. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to connect the first pin here, connect it to pin to where now. So I'm going to connect that to let's say to analog 0. Okay, analog 0. Where's my analog 0? So analog 0 is somewhere here. So connect it to analog 0. Right, well, just look at your Uno, you'll see it there to analog 0. So now also, okay, let me, if I do it like that, it might not work. So what I'm going to do is this empty pin, okay, I'm going to connect it to, let me connect it to 5 volts. Sorry, here, because that's where I need the current to come from. So I go here, go to this point, connect it to 5 volts. Oh, that's my 5 volts. That's not ground. 1 2 3, that's ground. Pull it a bit forward, you get your 5 volts. Okay, so look at it. First limb is going to 5 volts, right? Okay, so the second one now, that have a resistor attached to it, I'm going to connect down to analog 0. Yeah, connecting that to analog 0. Analog 0. Where is my analog 0? Analog 0 here. It's here. Good. So I connect that to analog 0. Now I have one more empty pin remaining and one free pin. That's the one that belongs to the resistor. So that one I'm going to connect it to ground. I think, let me see if I can get another color. Okay, let me use a white. So I'm going to connect that to ground. So that's the empty one. Left pin, leftover pin, ground is somewhere here, not far from 5 volts. So I put it there. Okay, so I'll go to my software. Okay, because of time, I already have the code on my software. already have the code on my software, so I'm just going to plug this, okay, and it's uploaded. Okay, so I upload my code. Once my code is uploaded, you see this white line here shows that code has been successfully uploaded. Now what happens? Let's look at the LED. You can see that this LED is off. Okay, the LED light is off now, so I'll tell someone to turn off the light. Let's see what happens. Please, can you turn off the light, please? The light from the touch is still on it. So so that's turn off the light on the camera. You just turn off the light on the camera. So let's see. You see your LED comes on. So that's automatic light system. So now that light is on, okay, let's see, that's not bright enough. Blue light, you see it goes off. Okay, once the light is on it goes off. That tells you that you have an automatic light system. Once there's light, what happens? It goes off. Once there's darkness, it comes on. Thank you very much. I hope you'll be able to replicate this project. Thank you.